said about the engineer is that the least thing that you should do should be temporarily suspend this permit. I think the right thing that you should do should be to revoke the permit. I'll just revoke the permit. Because there has been violations here, whether your agency wants to admit it or not. Because there are civil rights investigations going on right now. There's more than just a couple of investigations going on right now about this landfill, and I think the best thing to do would just be to revoke the permit. Very quickly, our friend here said in 2011, in September of 2011, when the last permit came in, that's what the civil rights complaint's about. It's about the previous permitting that came in. There's a civil rights complaint. Investigation into ADEM's permitting of that. All right? And if you were to check the permitting of that, you would see that in that permit, that they put inside the landfill's property a cemetery. Since then, the landfill has filed for a modification to take that cemetery out of the landfill property. Your boss signed the papers. Your boss is also saying that there's no violations ever going on there when we've seen hundreds and hundreds of documentations of water runoff. That is unpermitted. That's not part of the permit. That's not part of the permit. And if something's not part of the permit, that would be a violation of the permit. And so for your agency to say that there's never been a violation here is a lie. And I would like to see an investigation into your state agency about how this whole issue's been handled and enforced.
That's right.
The runoff there has known to contain contaminants as early as 2011. There's been water testing there from independent scientists, independent from your state agency, and it showed contamination. I myself have been a witness to this in 2011, 2013, even this year, 2016. There's been heavy concentrations of heavy metals coming off that site. As much to your state agencies going and saying that the people doing the tests aren't correct, when she's a scientist. All right? Okay. 2011, dust samples on the neighbor's property come back positive for heavy metals. No violations, nothing's going on. 2013, water coming off the landfill, testing positive for heavy metals, arsenic. Nothing going on. Scientists must be wrong.
Okay.
Still going on. Still going on. What about the leachate runoff problems? What about the leachate in Demopolis? Y'all start